Hello, beautiful people. How you guys doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching me from. Hi, it's kind of cold today. I hope everyone is doing well. Thank you guys for everything. I thank you all for forgiving me and all the rest of them. Listen, I come across this video and I try to ionize this video, but I couldn't. So I say, let me bring it to this page, so that you guys can help me to tell me what exactly wrong with that particular video, if there is any, because why I'm saying this is that the guy was kind of at the beginning he was kind of sounding somehow, but as time goes on he started to sound very nice. So but I would like you guys to watch it. Just watch this video, then I'll come back. Okay,
this video is all about Biafra or Nnamdi Kanu. You all know that this man stay outside country and insult the whole of Nigeria, the government, state, local government, etc. Okay, this man is like he's trying to cause confusion or terrorism or etc. to this country entirely, because they don't understand his way. His way is not clear, and whatever this man say, you can never hear any word, any tangible word from his mouth, apart from insult and abusing up and down everywhere. That is what our government are using against him. Also, that he is trying to create security or etc. in the country, confusion. But if you look at this man is fighting for the freedom of his people, for Almighty God's sake. What is bad in fighting for your freedom? Because this is like a marriage. For the girls watching this video, let me say this is like a marriage. Imagine I marry you. Like, guys, I'll never marry you. Please, just stay away from me. But for the girls, let's say it's like me and you get married, and I say I want a divorce. What is wrong with that? I don't really see anything wrong with that. But that's not my main point why I came to this studio today. My main point was, they go abducted this man from Kenya. Some people say arrest, because abduction is when kidnap, or abduction is when bandit or Fulani henchmen kidnap somebody from farm or from his house or for road, Kaduna road. That is what we call kidnap, not from Kenya. Definitely when you go to Kenya and pick somebody, that one is pick. But when you go to Kaduna road, Kaduna road, that one is abduction. So they picked this man from Kenya, and for so many months now he was in DSS custody, which they were doing some kind of things up and down. And thank God everything now turned around, and his lawyers fight and other people like that. They say this man has been discharged and acquitted, but the government say no, it still remains some procedure to follow. That is bailing and other things. So Nnamdi can now file another case against the government, which they discharged him yesterday, and then he also claimed 500 million naira. The court say that should pay him 500 million naira and then return him to the court, to Kenya, where they pick him. But our Nigeria government say if they should pay him 500 million, he also supposed to pay them 500 million for eating their food in DSS custody. It makes sense. He sent Luna to come and carry him. No, seriously. God. So this thing, the talk even passed my power, and I don't even know what to say. To summarize all those things, the matter is simple. He is, a Nigeria indigen, which we have all the right to detain him here, and he is also a citizen of another country. So it's like two legs now. It's, stand for one place. But now it's very simple. Take this man to where you carry this man from, return him, and pay him for damage for him staying for DSS office for complete 9 months. If people are saying no, he also need to pay another 500 million for eating a government food in DSS office. Hi, God. Please, I don't want to say much about this country issue. I just want to stop here because the thing is very annoying whenever I start talking about this country, because for God's sake, this man never asked anybody to go and carry gun, because if you need gun, the main gun and terrorists, everything are in the north. But they're just picking innocent somebody, suffering somebody for fighting for his right.